Hello people, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Eleftheria and today I'm going to review one of the last courses that I'm going to take from Codecademy, and this time is AngularJS version 1. I will not review any other course from Codecademy as I haven't taken any other, so this will be the last one. If you're interested in Codecademy courses, you can check out the description box and you will find many others, as well as I will leave in the description box the link for this course. I think that now we are ready to start. So I am in Codecademy, I'm in Learn AngularJS 1.x version. So in total there are 14 projects, 4 quizzes and 1 final project. But if you are not a pro, then you will not be able to do the projects or the final project. You will be able only to do the 4 quizzes. In the overview section, let's read the course outcomes. Take your understanding of HTML, CSS and JavaScript and apply them in learning how to build single-page web applications with a popular JavaScript framework. You'll be introduced to the Model View Controller, MVC, programming pattern and get a chance to build your own application from scratch by the end. Well, the last part is kind of true, but you have to be a pro in order to do that. Otherwise you will not build any application. Maybe you will build parts of applications as long as you take this course, but you will not build something big. While learn AngularJS. As a web developer, you'll need to learn how to use new frameworks on a regular basis. That's almost true. Maybe you can stick to a framework and don't learn everything else. For example, if you already know React and you're not planning to changing your career path, then maybe you don't have to learn AngularJS. Anyway, AngularJS is a full-feature framework that is incredibly popular among developers. For single-page applications, the AngularJS framework creates rich interactive features for a real-time experience. True. It's friendly to developers and has a supportive and active community, and again that's true, and I know that because I use on a daily basis AngularJS. Products built with AngularJS include YouTube Video Manager, the Weather Channel site, several Google products and Tinder. And yeah, I know that a lot of Google products are built in AngularJS because AngularJS is being supported from Google, and I think that's great because you're always going to have support. Let's go to the syllabus, and here you will see the classic one, 4 sections plus 2, but the last 2 sections are only for pro members. So as usual, Codecademy gives you only 4 sections, and again from this 4 sections only the first part will be visible to you. So let's go to the first one, which is called your first app. And so this course starts with Hello AngularJS part 1. This is part 1, not version 1, because then you can see here that you also have the part 2, so don't be distracted by this one. You have a very short introduction, and then in the instructions you have some parts here that you can just copy and paste into this middle part. I wouldn't suggest you copy and paste, but there are some very simple exercises in Codecademy that by only copy pasting you can continue to the next one. This is one of the reasons that I don't particularly like Codecademy. Sometimes it's just like they want to make you feel accomplished because you just did a copy paste, or even if you typed it, but it was to type like one line and nothing else. Maybe if you're a total beginner, this style will work for you, but if you're quite more advanced, this style will not work for you, and I'm sure that you've already know that. But yeah, at first there are some very simple stuff in the left part. In the middle part you will write your code, and then here you will see the result. And it's like building a book, so you will see here, or building, sorry, a website for some books. So you will see here that as this course progress, you will build and put here more stuff. Let's go to the last part of this section, which is the 11th one, and that's also good because Codecademy usually have smaller lessons, so I like that here at least it has 11 parts. In the generalization you will have a recap, and I think it's interesting. And then you can continue to the next one. If I click here up next, I won't be able to go because I don't have my pro section here, but you can start the next lesson, and this will take you to the next section. Again, in the next section the course will be talking about directives, and directives in AngularJS are a very important part. You should pay attention here if you take this course at least, and I'm pretty sure that you will learn some stuff that you will immediately use in your job. Okay, but now let's see something different. I have logged out from Learn AngularJS, and this is how it will look for you if you're not logged in. Again, you have your overview and your syllabus section. Here you will be able to see again what you can take as free and what you have to take as a pro. The final exercise, it will be good to be as well as free, but it's not. Anyway, all in all, if you're into AngularJS, if you're planning to learn it, you can take this course. You will not learn everything, so maybe I would suggest you to take a look in some other of my revisions that I have done from Udemy and Udacity, and there you will also find some AngularJS courses that are quite more completed. Here you will take only some basic things. They're well structured, but they're not enough. If you want to build projects or even learn more in depth, maybe you can go to Udemy or Udacity. I think Udemy is much better in this case, and there are some free courses that are completed. Okay, that was just my opinion. If you like this video and if you're into reviews, please leave a comment and subscribe. It would be great. See you in the next one, and have an amazing day.